But when it is someone who is close to us, who betrays us, we begin to feel a different level of hurt. It's a pain so deep that it rattles us. It changes our brain chemistry. It changes who we think we are. It changes the people we think we can trust. You're left with nothing but hurt and shame and embarrassment, waiting to begin to clothe you, waiting to begin to put layers on you, waiting to begin to put you into isolation. One night, the Lord showed me that betrayal changes your brain chemistry. That behind betrayal is trauma. A lot of people tell you to get over it. It's not that big of a deal, but your brain chemistry begins to change. There is trauma behind it that we don't often recognize. I hope